case, but most of the time it's actually due to not enough acid in our stomachs. And one of the main ways that we reduce acid in our stomach is actually through stress, which almost everybody has. So what happens is that stress will reduce the amount of acid that we have in our stomach. And then this causes the little sphincter or doorway that leads from the esophagus into the stomach to become weakened or relaxed. And then when this doorway becomes relaxed, what little acid that we have in our stomach actually leaks into the esophagus. And that leads to the symptoms like burning and pain. And then we tend to think that those symptoms mean that we have too much acid. And so this is usually treated conventionally with antacids that neutralize the acid, or prescription or over-the-counter proton pump inhibitors. And this actually stops the production of acid altogether. And the problem with these treatments is that not only do they cause harmful side effects, they don't actually get to the root cause of the problem. There are many factors that can influence acid reflux, and these include things like eating too fast, not chewing enough when we eat, or eating spicy foods, or eating late at night before we go to bed. Also, poor nutrition can play a role. Foods that cause inflammation like red meat, caffeine, alcohol, or even citrus can add to the problem of acid reflux. Also, stress can play a big role in acid reflux by reducing the amount of acid that we have in our stomachs. When a patient comes to see me for acid reflux, I may test their stomach pH, but most of the time I'll treat based on the patient's symptom profile. My goal is to reestablish balance in the digestive system, and this includes raising acid levels in the stomach if they're too low, or lowering them if they're too high. The treatments that I want to use include lifestyle education, including diet and exercise, herbal supplements, nutritional supplements, digestive supplements, and homeopathy. Stress is a major contributing factor to acid reflux, and a great way to lower stress is through gentle exercise and movement meditation. Some examples of these are walking outside,